Have you ever wondered how people actually own a part of big companies like Apple, Tesla, or Nike without working there? That ownership comes through something called a stock. Stocks are how millions of people participate in company growth, share profits, and build wealth over time. But what exactly is a stock, and how does it work? Let's break it down. Welcome to Business Training Media, your on-demand platform for business skills, entrepreneurship, and career growth. Today, we will explain what a stock is, why companies issue them, the different types of stocks, and how investors can make money. At its core, a stock, sometimes called equity, represents partial ownership in a company. When you buy stock, you become a shareholder. That means you own a piece of the company's assets and earnings. Companies divide ownership into shares so they can raise money. Selling shares allows businesses to fund growth, launch new products, expand into new markets, or pay off debt. The process of selling shares to the public for the first time is called an initial public offering, or IPO. After that, shares are traded on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. As a shareholder, you can profit in two main ways. First, through price appreciation. If the company grows and performs well, the value of your shares may increase. For example, if you buy a stock at $50 and it rises to $100, you have doubled your investment. Second, some companies pay dividends, which are portions of profit distributed to shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis. Dividends give you a steady income simply for owning shares. Not every company pays dividends, especially younger growth-focused companies that reinvest profits into the business. Stocks come in two main types. Common stock gives shareholders voting rights, letting you influence company decisions like electing the board of directors. Preferred stock generally does not offer voting rights, but it often provides higher claims on assets and dividends, especially if a company faces liquidation. Investing in stocks carries risk. Prices fluctuate based on market demand, company performance, and broader economic conditions. Poor management, industry changes, or recessions can reduce the value of your shares. That is why it is important to understand the companies you invest in and consider long-term strategies. Stock ownership is more than just a way to make money. It allows you to participate in a company's growth, have a voice in governance, and learn about the business world from the inside. Over time, stock investing has proven to be one of the most effective ways to build wealth, which is why it is a key part of retirement plans and long-term financial strategies. By understanding what a stock is, you build a foundation for more advanced investing topics, including portfolio diversification, index funds, and strategies for long-term growth. If you want to learn more about investing and financial literacy, we have selected some top recommended courses in the description to help you build deeper knowledge and practical skills. Be sure to check out our next video, where we continue breaking down essential business and investing concepts in a clear and actionable way. Thanks for watching.